Yeah, I missed this. This is Pepe that you see here, and right now it's sitting at $2.17 billion. I'm going to break down the potential millions if you got in on Pepe earlier, or it's not too late to get involved, not financial advice. Let's break down the captain's spreadsheet on Pepe. Let's go. My name is Adam Shelton. Let's do this. Now, Pepe right now is sitting at $2.2 billion, or let's just say $2.1 billion market cap. Now, if you have this amount of Pepe in your wallet or in your possession, you're feeling kind of good right now. Why? It's because if you have this amount of Pepe, what your value is about $5,000, right? Once it goes to 23 billion, and in my opinion, during the bull run, I believe it can hit some of these numbers or even higher in the meme coin space. You're looking at $55,000. Prime example, 2 billion to 23 billion definitely can happen on a very popular meme coin, Pepe. Now, that same amount that you see there, which is about 1 billion, that same amount, if it continue going higher, $85,000. And then even higher from that, $174,000. Now let's go ahead and back up a little bit. Let's say you got 55,000, you got in early at it, and now you're waiting patiently and you're accumulating as well, doing your research. You're looking at $500,000 at a $23 billion market cap. Just estimating. But then let's say I want to continue holding for the stars, the moon, and Jupiter. Now you're seeing $851,000 and now $1.7 million. Yes, that's right. I'll admit, I missed out on Pepe when it was running. I bought a little bit and then I took my position. And then next thing you know, $2 billion market cap and the bull run is around the corner. So I'm going to add just a little bit and see what happens. But if you holding Pepe, congratulations. You could be a Pepe millionaire. My name is Adam Shelton. I'm the captain. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next meeting.